In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Google Workspace account. This guide is designed to help you navigate through the process smoothly and ensure you don't miss any important steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're there, the next step is to find and click on the billing section. This section handles all things related to your subscription. After clicking on billing, you'll notice several options. You'll want to select the subscription menu. Here's a pro tip. Make sure you're logged in as an administrator to access these features. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see a More Options tab or button. Clicking on this will reveal the option to cancel your subscription. Take a breath and review this choice because canceling will mean your services will no longer be active. Now, let's proceed to the second major step. After you've dealt with the subscription, navigate to the Account section on your dashboard. Here, you'll find the option labeled Account Settings. This section is crucial because it contains all the significant information about your account, from personal details to security settings. When you click on Account Settings, you may see various tabs. You'll want to find the one for Account Management. It's like the nerve center for controlling your account's key functions. Make sure to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't done so before. Finally, once you are in the Account Management tab, locate the option to delete your account. Now, this step is the final action in closing your Google Workspace account. It may sound straightforward, but it's a significant decision. Once this step is taken, retrieving your data or reversing the process can be tricky. I highly recommend downloading a copy of any important data before you proceed. Once you're certain, follow the prompts to confirm the deletion of your account. To sum up, closing your Google Workspace account involves three main steps. You need to cancel your subscription through the Billing section, adjust settings in the Account tab, and finally, delete your account in the Account Management area. Remember to double-check each stage to ensure you're making the right choice for your needs. And there you have it. How to close your Google Workspace account, presented clearly and effectively. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and feel free to leave any questions or comments you may have below. Until next time, take care.